How to log out from your War Thunder account. So if you want to log out from your War Thunder, then first of all, you need to open up a browser and then go for the search bar and search for War Thunder. And here you can go for warthunder.com, which is on the first search, and it will take you to the website. So now you can sign into your account if you have not signed in yet. And after signing in, now if you want to log out of your account or if you want to sign out of your account, then you need to click on your username, which is on the upper right, and here on the last option you will have sign out. So if you want to sign out of your War Thunder account, then simply click on sign out. And that's it. It was that easy to sign out from your War Thunder. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.